Welcome to this introduction video for the My Wash feature inside of WashUp. In this video, we'll walk through what My Wash is, what wash bays and areas are, how My Wash is used, how to get started, and a few tips and best practices to help you along the way. Let's start with the basics. What is My Wash? My Wash is used to map out your car wash inside WashUp. It acts as an equipment library that stores information about your location's unique equipment, applicators, and devices. So everything in WashUp feels familiar, functional, and tailored to how your team already operates. My Wash powers two core features inside of WashUp: inspections and services. While inspections and services are used for different purposes, all related history, including media, issues, maintenance, completion history, and updates, is stored directly within My Wash. This means you can keep a complete history of every asset at your wash in one convenient location. You can see what was done, when it happened, and who completed it, eliminating memory-based tracking and replacing it with accurate, real-time records. Inside WashUp, we understand that no two locations are the same. Every wash is unique. Because of that, My Wash breaks each location down into what we call wash bays and areas. These represent where equipment, applicators, and devices physically exist at your site. In the example you see on screen for this location, the wash is broken down into three main wash bays and areas: the tunnel, the backroom, and the vacuum area. These wash bays and areas can be named however you or your team already refer to them. For example, the tunnel might be called Express, the backroom might be called the equipment room or supply room, and the vacuum area might be referred to as the lot or customer area. WashUp adapts to the terminology your team already uses. During onboarding, these wash bays and areas were defined for each of your locations and added to your My Wash section. From there, you're ready to begin entering your equipment. Within each wash bay and area, you'll list all of your unique equipment, applicators, and devices in the order of application, or how they're laid out physically at your site. Let's take a closer look at how each wash bay and area can be broken down. In this tunnel example, each piece of equipment is labeled clearly so anyone on your team can easily reference it. This includes applicators, arches, brushes, dryers, high-pressure equipment, LED signs, conveyors, and any other tunnel equipment that plays a role in delivering a consistent, high-quality wash experience. Things you generally would not include are non-physical items, general supplies, or anything that doesn't need to be inspected, serviced, or tracked over time. If your team inspects it, services it, maintains it, or needs visibility into its history, it belongs in My Wash. Next, let's look at the backroom. This area typically includes assets such as air compressors, high-pressure pump stands, water treatment systems, chemical dispensing or mixing equipment, power units, and any other equipment that requires routine service, inspection, or maintenance. If your team inspects it, services it, maintains it, or needs visibility into its history, it belongs in My Wash. Finally, let's take a look at the vacuum area. This area should include equipment that plays a key role in the customer experience, such as vacuums, separators, mat cleaning stations, air detailers, and any other related items you want to track history, issues, or service records for. If your team inspects it, services it, maintains it, or needs visibility into its history, it belongs in My Wash. And don't worry about getting everything perfect right away. Equipment can always be added, removed, or rearranged as your setup changes. Apply this same process to every wash bay and area at your location. Whether you operate an in-bay automatic, self-serve bays, a full-service wash, a pet wash, or a mix of them all, follow the same structure for each area. Best practices and recommendations. The easiest and most effective way to build out your My Wash equipment lists is to physically walk each wash bay and area. We recommend walking the site and taking notes on a mobile device. Take note of everything you see in each wash bay and area. Once you've completed your walkthrough, return to a computer or laptop to enter your equipment into My Wash for each wash bay and area. You can also upload photos for each piece of equipment. These photos act as visual references during inspections and services, helping your team stay consistent and aligned. We recommend setting aside 1 to 2 hours to complete your initial My Wash setup. While this step takes a bit of upfront time, once it's done, WashUp becomes significantly more useful and powerful. With My Wash in place, you can immediately begin customizing and using the other features in WashUp, including inspections and services, knowing everything is tied back to the right equipment and areas. By setting up My Wash accurately, you create a strong foundation for inspections, services, and stronger operational control across your entire wash. Thanks for watching. Visit our Help Center for helpful documentation and setup examples, and reach out to us anytime if you have questions.